Okay, sometimes we may have some group of letters that will represent this sound too. So they are exceptionals. Do you understand? So they are exceptionals. That let's look at them here. Something like exceptional cases. Okay, let's look at this one here. So like U A right here. UAY like EAYA like okay like UI. Yeah, I'm not talking about University of Ibadan. So UI is okay like something like this too. Okay, now let's look at this one. Like example here, I will just be giving you one here, one example for each exceptional case. So like okay, let's look at this word. Okay, like yes, this one like key. It is not que. Some people call it que, but it is not that. So it is key. So uh, the same thing with this one too. Key, key. This one is seat, not suit. Seat. As we all know, this one is very popular. Then that's people, people, people. You can say people. That is the pronunciation of this sound here. So people, people. We can even check our dictionary. You can check our dictionaries to look for many examples that we can even find there too. Because the essence of the dictionary is just to guide us to pronounce words correctly, because we may find it sometimes difficult to even listen to what some people even say, because of the way they even pronounce their words. Do you get this now? So some use American accent, and some use British, some use Nigerians too. So it depends on how they can even pronounce it. So as we can see now that these sounds is easy now to even to pronounce very well, to pronounce rather very well here. So you can see the graphemes of this sound. We have letter 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 I. We have letter EI, letter E alone, letter I alone, and then we have letter OE too. So these are what the graphemes of the sound there. So let's just look at the way we can even let's transcribe some words. Let's transcribe some words. Let's try to transcribe it. So okay, like this B, like this B now. So now let's look at this here. So don't forget that I told you to download this phonetics keyboard. So let's switch to that. So this sound, okay, that's B here. So that is B. You can say B. So that's that here. Okay. Now let's look at the next one, like peep. Peep. Let's try to then that is peep, 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 peep. So that's that. So now let's try to transcribe some 8L like that. Okay, like this one, like E sorry, that is E A S T. So ST, yeah, the arrangement is different. Thank you. Okay, I can see now. So now let's try that. That's he is. So we have ear, excuse me. So ear, excuse me. East, east. So you have it here. East, east. So let's look at the next one here. That is, this one is, that is lean, lean. That is what we want to transcribe now. Lean. So look at it here. So lean. So that is that. Okay. So you can see that here. So let's move on to this one. Just try to transcribe this one here. So that is fifth. Let's pick fifth. Fifth. Let's pick that. Yeah. T H E F. Yes. Let's transcribe this. That's fifth. Fifth. Thief. See that? So thief, not thief. That is thief. So now let's look at this one now. Let's look at let's pick one here too because of time. So let's pick one here. So we have receipt. Let's pick receipt. Receipt. Re Actually, there is no letter C in transcription. Okay, so we have to switch this to Gboard here. So receipt here. Okay, now let's go back to uh this one here. So that is re re. Do you understand? Re. This letter S sounds like let's letter C rather sound like S. Okay, that's receipt. So receipt. Excuse me. Receipt. So T here. Receipt. Receipt. So that's that here. Okay. Now let's pick one here to like theme. 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 So let's pick that one too. That is T H E M E. So let's pick it there. So which means that we are going to have this one. Theme. 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 So that is that here. So, okay. So now let's look at this one too. So let's look at this one. So let's pick please. 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 Okay, please is not here. So we have to change this to this. Please here. Okay, good. So now let's get back to this. So please, please, P. So P, please, please. So if the dictionary that we are using is in line with what we call international phonetic phonetic alphabet, yes, international phonetic alphabet. So like IPA. So if you check your dictionary very well, you will see where they write IPA. The pronunciation of that the correct full meaning of IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet. That is how a particular word is generally was pronounced or generally accepted the way it is what pronounced there. So that's that. Now let's look at this one here. So we have amoeba, amoeba. So here too we have this sound so me be. So here too. So that's it. Sometimes the ways a particular dictionary may even transcribe this may be different with the sound here, this sound here. So some may include this, some may include this one with right here or with this. Okay, with this here. So no. Yes, with these errors, they may include it there. So it depends on how they even transcribe it. So that is that for today's class. So next time, we'll be looking at another sound. Thank you. See you next time.